Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sonia Fitriani. I am from class S1 System Information and Nebula semester 5. I will to tell you all about information of Android operating system. Content, history, features, hardware requirement, development, security and privacy, design, reception, legal issues, uses on other device, and conclusion. History. Founded in Palo Alto, California in October 2003 by Andy Rubin, founder of Danger, Rich Miner, founder of Worldwide Communication Inc., Nate Searle, former VP of T-Mobile, and Chris White, head of design and WebDB interface development. Google acquires Android Inc. on August 17, 2005, making it a wholly owned subsidiary of Google. In December 2007, Information Week reported that Google had filed several patent applications in the cellular telephone field. On November 5, 2007, the Open Handset Alliance was founded. The first commercial mobile phone to use the Android operating system was the HTC Dream, which was launched on 22 October 2008. In 2010, Google released the Nexus series. On March 13, 2013, Larry Page announced in a blog post that Andy Rubin had moved from the Android division to work on new project at Google. Android is a Linux-based operating system designed for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphone and tablet computer. The initial goal of developing Android was to develop a sophisticated operating system for digital camera. However, it was realized that the market for the device was not large enough, and Android development was then shifted to the smartphone market to compete with Symbian and Windows Mobile. User interface. The user interface on Android is based on direct manipulation, using touch input similar to real-world action, such as sweeping, tapping, and pinching to manipulation objects on the screen. For example, to adjust the screen position from the portrait to or landscape. Application. If you open application Google Play Store or Google Play, you can browse, download, and update applications published by Google and third-party developers in according with Google compatibility requirement. Application management. Android manages App Store in memory automatically when memory is low. The system temporarily disables inactive apps and processes. They are disabled in reverse order, starting with the last unused. The processing is invisible to the user. The user does not need to manage memory or disable application manually. Hardware requirement. As of November 2013, the latest version of Android requirement at least 512 MB RAM, a 32-bit ILMV5 processor, MEVS architecture, RX86, and an OpenGLS 2.0 compatible GPU. Development. Update schedule. Android updates are usually received slower by the user device. For non-Nexus branded device, update usually done month after the official version the release. Linux kernel. The Linux kernel architecture on Android has been changed by Google in contrast to the normal Linux kernel developed by Cycle. By default, Android does not have the native X Windows system or support for the full set of the standard GNU library. Open source community. This community of developers often deliver updates and new features to the device faster than the manufacturer or carriers, even if these updates do not undergo extensive testing or have no quality assurance. Security and privacy. Android applications run in the sandbox, an isolated area that has no access to the system except for access permission explicitly granted by the user when installing the application. The sandbox and licensing system on Android can reduce the impact of vulnerability to bugs in application, but developers ignore and limited documentation have resulted in inadvertently asking for unnecessary permission reduce their effectiveness. Research by security firm Trend Micro show that abuse of premium device, the most common type of malware that attack Android. Google insists that the presence of malicious malware on Android is actually very rare, and a survey produced by Obscure showed that only 0.5% of Android malware originates from the Google Play or Google Play Store. Listen, Google publishes most of the code, including network and telephone codes, under the official license version 2.0. The rest Linux kernel changed under the GNU General Public License version 2. The Open Handset Alliance developed Linux kernel change with open source code published all the time. For the rest, Android was developed privately by Google, with source code published to the public when a new version is launched. Reception. Tablet. Despite the success of smartphone, Android's adoption for tablet computer was initially slow. One of the main reasons is situation known as chicken or egg. When customers are hesitant to buy an Android tablet due to a lack of high-quality tablet application, while on the other hand, developers are also resistant to spend their time and their resources to develop tablet application until there is a significant market for the product. Android tablet market share finally managed to overtake the iPad in mid-2012. Research market share. As October 2013, around 211 million were Android devices. Users of the platform. You can see the picture beside that. The Lollipop version of the Android operating system is the most widely used, and the Froyo version of the Android operating system is the least used. Application hijacking. In May 2012, Eurogamer, a developer of Football Manager, stated that the ratio of pirated players versus real players is 9 versus 1. Deficiency and advantages. Use that the design to be easy on application feature and not difficult to understand. 2. Android can also be said to be an open source Linux based code operating system. 3. Users can freely choose which application they want to use. Disadvantages are of the Android operating system. 1. The Android operating system seems to require users to have an active internet connection to indeed are the many Android applications that can be used for free. By often the application used will display advertisements which are quite annoying. 3. The battery on the smartphone with the Android system will be very wasteful compared to other operating systems. Exception. Judging from the graph, the Android operating system is gradually increasing from year to year. Legal issues. In August 12, 2010, Oracle sued Google or chain of copyright and patent infringement related to the Java Oracle programming language, initially damaging $6.1 billion on damages. However, its lawsuit was rejected by the United States Federal Court that asked Oracle to revise its lawsuit. In May 2012, a jury in this case found that Google did not infringe on Oracle patent, and the judge ruled that the AV architecture used by Google was not copyright. Apple and Microsoft sued several Android device manufacturers over patent infringement issues. Apple filed a lawsuit against Samsung in a highly publicized case. In October 2011, Microsoft released that it in 2011 to 2012, Google broke Motorola compatibility. In December 2011, Google also purchased more than 1,000 patents from IBM. In October 2010, Microsoft released that it had signed patent licensing agreement with 10 mobile phone manufacturers that produce control 55% of the global market for Android devices, including Samsung and HTC. In 2011, Google introduced Android at Home. In August 2011, Parrot launched a car stereo system with the Android platform. In September 2013, Clarion released a car stereo system with a more advanced Android platform, known as the AX1, and Mirage, using Android 2.3.7 and 2.2 and equipped with GPS-based navigation, a 6.5-inch screen, and the various options for wireless data access. Use on the other device. The open and customizable nature of Android means that the operating system is also used on other electronic devices, including laptop and netbook, smartbook, smart TV or Google TV, and cameras, Nikon Coffee, and Galaxy cameras. Conclusion: operating system was founded in Palo Alto, California in October 2003. The initial goal of developing Android was to develop a sophisticated operating system for digital cameras. However, it was realized the market for this device was not large enough, and Android development was then shifted to the smartphone market to rival Symbian and Windows Mobile as a good interface and application feature, as well as good memory management. Hardware requirements do not really require large hardware specification. Its developers include update sequential Linux kernel, and open resource community is great for supporting this Android operating system. The release has also been officially registered. The Android operating system also has good acceptance among manufacturers around the world. Regarding legal issues, they have been proven not to steal patent belong of belong to other people. The companies and their use on other devices also been increasingly using the Android operating system. Any question? Thank you everyone for hearing it thoroughly. Apologize if there are shortcomings. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.